Haven't you always wanted to know how to make a robot?
Well, today we're going to show you how to make an easy robot you can make at home. It's a puppy.
We called him Fido.
That's right. Do you want to explain why we call this robot Fido?
Because he's an RC robot that comes when you call him with your remote control.
Do you know what? I have a different name for this robot.
What is it?
It's a surprise.
Hey! So let's build a robot.
First, we have to explain about the infrared light spectrum.
Infrared light is an electromagnetic wave like visible light, but it has a slightly longer wavelength, and so we can't see it with our eyes.
Digital cameras can see infrared light.
Right. Infrared light is very close to red light, it's a similar frequency, and a lot of cameras, like this, digital cameras, can see infrared light. It shows up as red light on the viewfinder. So if I point the infrared remote control into the camera and press the button, I think you can see it showing up as a little red dot, which I can't see at all because my eyes can't see the infrared.
And some animals can see infrared too.
That is interesting. It's also amazing the uses that people have found for infrared light.
Like remote control circuits.
Exactly. An infrared remote control circuit is just what we built to get Fido to come when we want. Take a look. The remote control transmitter is just an infrared LED light connected to a battery. If you've watched our shows before, you might know that you have to be careful to limit the current flowing in an LED circuit so that you don't burn out your LED. We included a couple of resistors in the circuit for that purpose.
Here's what the remote control looks like.
And now we have to explain what makes Fido go.
Let's draw another picture. In order to allow infrared light to trigger Fido, we use an IR phototransistor. The IR phototransistor outputs an electric current when infrared light hits it. The electric current output by the phototransistor is very weak, so we use a MOSFET to amplify that current. Then we send that current to a motor, which turns Fido's wheels. Of course, we have to make sure to complete the circuit for electricity to flow. You can find more details about how we wired up this circuit on our website at geekpackhack.com.
Fido, come.
It worked.
Well, Fido's pretty cool, huh? But sometimes what you really need is a little help from your dad, right? So when you need help from your dad, you can always call your dad bot. Shall we make the dad bot?
Yeah. Come, Dad.
We hope you'll join us again next month. See our website at geekpackhack.com for info on supplies and project guidance for adults. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think, and send us your ideas for wacky hacks. If you enjoy our show, don't forget to subscribe and give us the thumbs up.